So the only question in my mind was, what is this unique thing that you keep on saying that my father does not know or I don't know? पति को बता रही थी ये कि मतलब उनके पति ने बोला हाँ देखो क्या पूछ रहा आपका भंजा, ऐसा कुछ बोला उन्होंने, तो ये बोलती कि इफ यू नो हाउ टू सेल यू कैन मेक मनी. एंड आई वाज लाइक कि ये क्या बोला इन्होंने, समझ नहीं आया मुझे. बट देन आई वाज क्यूरियस, सो आई वेंट आफ्टर हर कि भाई व्हाट हैपेंड, क्या होता है सेलिंग, क्या होता है, मुझे बैठा हुआ. So I used to learn selling from the class of 8th and 9th because my Mosi used to sell. She has her office and everything. People used to come, greet her. Prospects used to come in the office and she used to greet them and talk to them, build rapport, close them. I was just watching that for 2 years straight, right, as a 9th class kid. I'm just watching it every single summer vacation, right, for 2 months. And that's getting in my mind, right, that's getting subconsciously somewhere. Once that happened, I got in a good school. The reason my school was very prestigious is because my father had an invoice on the school, वो clear नहीं हो पाई थी, कुछ problem था, तो barter हुआ था कि भाई मेरा बेटा आपके यहाँ पढ़ लेगा. Very prestigious school. मेरी साल की जो फीस थी स्कूल की वो सिर्फ 1.5 लाख थी, excluding मेस का फीस. ठीक है, साल का 1.5 लाख 9th क्लास में बच्चा दे रहा है. ठीक है, very prestigious school, due to which I got networks with really rich kids and rich fathers of those kids. So what used to happen was I used to go into parties, I used to go into house parties. इन सब के यहाँ बहुत normal था ये बच्चे Mercedes से रोज आते थे, very normal things. So I used to go over there, I used to talk to them, I used to celebrate with them, I used to get to their homes, see their libraries, see their halls, see their kitchens. And at that time I used to ask their father, uncle, what do you do? And they used to say, build a room. Okay. Next, uncle, what do you do? I'm a real estate broker. Uncle, what do you do? I'm a trader. Uncle, what do you do? And ये जितनी भी जॉब आप बता रहे हो मेरे पापा नहीं करते हैं. So the only question in my mind was, what is this unique thing that you keep on saying that my father does not know or I don't know? And that's where the curiosity began. So I used to go to my friend's father. मुझे आज भी याद है, मेरे दोस्त का नाम मुदित है, शशांक, rich kids. I used to go to their fathers and be like, uncle, ये क्या करते हो? Can you teach me? And they used to like the hunger part because whatever they used to give me, I used to apply that. तो अंकल मुझे देते थे एक किताब, बोलते थे पढ़ के आना कल, done. एक दिन में my job is to complete the book and give it to him back and be like, complete कर ली, बताओ क्या बताएं. So the first book that I got from the father of my friend was Rich Dad Poor Dad, and he gave that book. And from that उसमें एक चीज़ समझ में आई, एसेट और लाइबिलिटी. अब मैं उनको अगले दिन किताब देने गया, मतलब पढ़ ली. बोले पढ़ ली, क्या समझ में आया? मतलब इन्वेस्टर, बिजनेस ओनर, सेल्फ एम्प्लॉय, और फिर मतलब एसेट, लाइबिलिटी, इस वर्ड का मतलब समझ नहीं आया, वो आप समझा दो. उन्होंने समझा दिया, बट बोले इसका करेगा क्या? तो मैंने बोला पॉइंट है, करेंगे क्या इस इन्फॉर्मेशन का, राइट, वेरी हेवाइड इन्फॉर्मेशन. तो उन्होंने बोला अब एसेट बिल्ड करो, जाओ. मैं कैसे बिल्ड करूँ, मैं तो 9th क्लास में हूँ. बोले नहीं, एसेट बिल्ड हो सकता है, टू थिंक अबाउट इट. आई एम लाइक कूल. 2 months I spent thinking about what can be an asset, what can be an asset, what can be an asset, एक asset हो क्या सकता है. And then I found my game change, which was Soumya Jain. You see this guy? He's my best friend, right? He lives in US right now. He had a DSLR. I was like, तू उसका क्या करता है? He's like, मैं पंछियों की फोटो लेता हूँ. I do wildlife photography. I'm like, very nice. Can we click humans through this? He's like, yes, we can click humans. He's like, इसका अभी क्या? मतलब, what if we start a photography business? Let me go to the school. I went to the school. I approached them. I told them, ये जितने भी cultural events होते हैं, सब कुछ होते हैं, can I cover that? आप photographer को पैसे देते हो, मुझे मत देना, मुझे आधे दे दो. But I'll cover all the events. If you like for the first event, pay for all the events. If you don't like, no problem. They were like, cool. मतलब पहला event मैं free में करने को भी ready हूँ. So I used to go as a photographer with him. तो हम 3 दोस्त थे, वेदांत, me and Soumya. We used to go as photographers. We used to get our laptops. और हमारा 2 GB का कार्ड होता था. तो 2 GB कार्ड रोल किया, फिर फोटो खींची, फिर रोल किया. And we used to get over there. And that's where I first time tasted money.
अगर ये इस टाइप की वीडियो पसंद है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब मत करो. Click on my channel, see all the videos. If you feel like there are videos which can actually help you, then so click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for the notifications.